Hello everyone. Have an idea for a music player dashboard and want to bring it to life visually? In this video, we'll show you how to create inside MockFlow IdeaBoard, all in less than 2 minutes. Start by opening your IdeaBoard and click AI. Then, open Skills. Choose Tailwind CSS Design and click Apply. We'll simply ask MIDA to create a music player dashboard and click Generate. We'll simply ask MIDA to create a music player dashboard and click Generate. In just a few moments, MIDA adds the dashboard wireframe directly to our IdeaBoard, giving us a visual starting point with the music player, playlists, albums, and controls. From here, we can build on the idea right inside the board, add notes, make changes, move elements around, and bring in new ideas as we brainstorm. We can also share the IdeaBoard with our team and work on the idea together. So, instead of keeping ideas in text, we can visualize them, build on them, and share them in one collaborative space with MockFlow IdeaBoard.